Ah, isn't it a thing of beauty to be running off grid on batteries? It's just amazing. You know, sometimes I forget we're sitting upstairs watching TV and we've got some lights on and my computer on and the sump pump's running, the furnace kicks on, and we're doing it off of battery power. It's incredible. It's a great feeling. So I'm going to do an update video. I'll dig deeper into the build and some other videos. I feel like I'm doing this backwards, but it is what it is. Again, these are the MPP solar. I've added some panels right there. You can see that. MPP solar LV6548s. These are capable of 120 volts per inverter, and when you have two like I do, I've got one set up for, you can do them in parallel and stay at 150 or 120 volt, or you can do them in series, which is the way I have mine set up. I'm running L1 off of this inverter and L2 off of that one, and I have the capability of doing 240 volt. So that's how we're set up. They're 6,500 watts a piece on output. They're capable of up to 8,000 watts, I believe, of solar panels. My batteries are Legion 272 amp hour batteries, LiFePO 4. I've got 16 for a 48 volt system. We have the Victron Energy Smart Shunt. That's a 500 amp shunt. And there's my terminations I'm connected to here, tying everything together. And then this balancer, it's not really a BMS, so I don't have any low voltage shut down. I use the inverters for that on the settings for going from grid to batteries and back on to the grid. So that's, I'm not real fond of any of the BMSs out there. I don't trust some of the ones that are able to do the amperage that I need for my system on the DC side, especially the Dali BMSs. They may be okay, but the ones that are capable of like 250 amps are, you know, to me the fan is a point of failure, so I don't want that. If that fan fails and that BMS catches on fire, I lose my house. So right now, with these new batteries, I'm comfortable with letting the inverter shut everything off early, and when they go into charge mode, letting it go the other way. So I'm not trying to drain my batteries totally and try to squeeze every amp hour out of them. So that's a JK. It's a 2 amp battery equalizer, and it'll do up to, I think, 24 batteries. I've got a Class T fuse here, rated for 250 amps on the DC side, and that's pretty much the setup on the DC side and the inverters. I'll go into some more video about the AC side and how I'm getting from my main panel over to the sub panel and the different disconnects on the AC side in the next video. Thanks for watching.